Good morning everyone and welcome to another video. So today is maybe the day before Eid, so I've got to get my butt into gear. What did you say, my darling? The rubbers don't work on those pens, darling. So I've written a to-do list to get done today, and it isn't very long, but it is things that take a little bit of time, and I will be adding more to this and I will be doing more than this. Basically, this is the main stuff that I need to get done before tonight. So put up Eid decor, make chocolate lollipops, which I've started doing, make Naan Khatais, making a lotus biscoff tiramisu. How exciting is that? First we're going to get started with the Eid decor, which I already have started. I put the string through these decorations and I'm going to be hanging those up by the TV. I just think it would look nice there. Over here there's going to be the big balloon Eid Mubarak sign, but let's do that first and then we'll blow up the Eid Mubarak sign. So the Eid Mubarak sign is all blown up and put on a string. Now I'm going to put it up over here. But first I'm going to clean the window because that one needs to be done. I didn't do it the other day. So there you go guys, how does that look? I don't know, I don't think it's perfect, but I don't really care, to be honest. I've got a few more bits and pieces that I need to put up, but first I'm going to be filming a video thing with Elisa, which she already did half of, but we're going to do the rest of it now. You'll see it on Instagram. I just went upstairs and I got the decorations that were hanging in my room and also these lovely sacks from Tots for Tots. And I've put them there for now. I don't know if they're going to stay there, but I think they look cute, so I might just leave them there. I have these as well, which are from eidparty.co.uk. All these decorations are from eidparty.co.uk, if you wanted to know, for next Eid. Also, these two things, which I don't know where I'm going to put them, but I don't know, we'll see. And I also have this, which I want to put on that mirror, around the mirror somewhere, because I feel like it needs to link in with this hessian stuff. So let me try and do that. So this is what it looks like. I don't know, it's not perfect, but I like it. I like it. I need to find a place for those two hanging things. So I've just cut Elisa's and Issa's nails. Now I'm about to start with the baking and just sorting as much as I can out in the kitchen right now. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. I think I need to do a couple of washes today as well, because I do have a bunch of clothes that I need to be washed. So, and I've also got towels that I need to put away. So I'm going to do that first and then I'll move on to doing that stuff. So I always get distracted by little things, so let's go. I'm going to be making some more of these lollipops. I've never done this before, but I thought I would try doing candy melts, candy buttons these ones are. This is the brand that I'm using, it's from Amazon. I'm basically melting them into here in the microwave, 30 seconds, moving it around until it's completely melted, and then putting it in here. The one that I did last night was a bit chunky, so they didn't come out as good. So I need to make sure it's fully melted this time. So I'm just going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time. and then I'll be back. A bit bright in here, but I thought I'd bring you in here so you could see exactly what I'm doing, because I don't think you could see in yesterday's one. So what I'm going to do first is put these in. I made the mistake of adding them after yesterday and it kind of just ruined them a little bit, so I'm adding those first. So they are all done. I'm going to put those on a baking tray. There wasn't enough for the last one. That's all the candy melts that I have in that colour. So the next ones I'm going to be doing are going to be pink ones. But they don't take too long to set, so that's good. Like, they can set at room temperature apparently, but I am going to put them in the fridge just so it's all done nice and quick. So let's do that now. I've also ordered some little bags for these, but I only ordered them last night, so I don't know what time they're going to come. I ordered them from Amazon Prime, but they'll probably come really late. So I'm gonna wrap these up later. Now I'm going to be making my chocolate cake, and this chocolate cake is so delicious. I will leave the recipe in the description if you guys want to make this. It's really easy. The recipe is like really simple ingredients, so I'm going to be making that right now. You can just watch me make it. I'm not going to explain what I'm doing because I need to get it done. So I just got ready because I'm about to head to Aldi. I'm not going to film me going there because my camera needs charging, so I'm going to charge it, go there, come back and do the rest of the stuff that I need to do. So just got back from shopping. I thought I would do a little haul because I've got a bunch of stuff, so maybe you want to see, I don't know. I got myself some flowers for Eid. I picked up 3 different herbs to plant. I got some coriander, extra coriander, because I really want a massive whole bush full of coriander. I got some parsley and I also got some basil. Smells so good. Oh, gorgeous. I got some nappies for Isa. We're running low on nappies. Got some blueberries and some raspberries. I got some squirty cream. I picked up some apple cider vinegar because I've not seen it cheap, as cheap as Aldi anywhere else. It's $1.99 in Aldi and I think I saw it for like £5 the other day. And then I got some fresh orange juice. It's Eid. I thought, why not treat myself? Also got some hand sanitizer, a pomegranate, a cucumber, some granola, some more cocoa powder, a mango, some icing sugar, some mini wraps, and I also got 2 kids yogurts. And then I got some mini naan breads because these are really good for making pizza. that's everything that I got from Aldi. And then I went to Poundland and Asda as well. From Poundland I got these. The kids have never had these before, but Issa's just had one now and he really likes it. I picked up some safety pins. I just don't know where any of mine have gone. And then I got some plain white card cake board for the cake that I'm making now. I got some cling film because I'm running quite low. I got some burger buns. These are the Asda brioche ones. Got some bourbon biscuits. And oh my gosh, my search for pistachios is over because I found them in Asda. So expensive though, £2.75 for this little packet. One thing that I could not find anywhere was mascarpone cheese, and I need that for one of the desserts that I'm making, but I can't find it anywhere and I'm so sad about it. I couldn't find it in Aldi. I saw the sign for it in Aldi and Asda and there was just none left, and the guy even went to check at the back for me, but never mind. If not, I'll just make it another day because I really want to make that thing, but I don't know, we'll see, we'll see. And then I also got some pajamas for Issa because he hasn't got any shorts ones and it's really warm recently and these are going to be perfect for the hot months. I got a 3-pack and it was £8.50 for 3 pairs. And I got some of this. I think this is the thing that my brother recommended for me to use in Issa's hair. Instant featherlight frizz control and smoothness. So I feel like if I put this in his hair, his curls will be more defined. I don't know anything about curls, so let me know if you know how to make curls look like they're styled. I also picked up this t-shirt for myself, which is to wear underneath my dress because there's like, it's quite low and I couldn't find any white ones or like light coloured ones. This was the only one that they had in my size, so I picked this up. It was £5 and that's everything I got. So I'm gonna go put it all away and then I'm gonna start on doing other things. Me and Elisa are putting little packets on these little lollipops that we've made. We're just putting a little wrapper on and then we're twisting the little ties so that it's a little lollipop.
Yeah, it's dolly. I'm watching an iPad. I'm watching an iPad.
Is that an iPad?
Yeah. How's your eating it?
Elisa managed to get one of these and eat it. Oh wow, that was quick. Anyway, so now what we're doing is making Naan Khatais, which are like little buttery biscuits with pistachios and cardamom. So what I'm doing right now is chopping up cardamom as small as I can. I don't have a spice grinder that will do this, so I'll have to do it like this. I've emptied the shells and then just chopped what was inside. I love the smell of cardamom, and that is going to go into our biscuits. If that falls on the floor, what will happen to that?
Glass.
And what will happen to the glass?
Break.
Yes. 1,
2.
2. Okay, well then you sit that in.
Oh look, that looks like ice cream.
It does. Some of my Naan Khatais are done. This is what they look like. They don't look as good as my mum's do, but they will do. It smells so good. I could not even describe what this smells like. The cardamom is just delicious. Elisa's eating the whisk. I just made my buttercream for my cakes, which I'm going to put together now. So this is what the buttercream looks like. It's so nice. Oh my gosh, this is the best buttercream ever.
This is so much butter, and we are gonna have a big massive cake.
Yes, we are. Look at your face, child.
I love looking at the whiskers.
So guys, I didn't film it, but I finished doing my cake. Do you like it? It looks cute, don't it? Anyway, that's the cake. Naan Khatais are out. I'm just setting up this room to do a little photo shoot of the food that I've made so far. Elisa just broke my cake topper. I'm very annoyed right now. I'm trying to fix this that Elisa broke. I tried to stick this back on it with super glue, but it didn't work, so I've got a skewer and I've put super glue on it like this so that hopefully it stays, because I'm so annoyed right now. So it's just been announced that Eid is on Sunday, so that means that the cake and the biscuits are all going to be stored away until Sunday. But I'm glad that it's on Sunday, because then I've got more time to prepare and all that kind of thing. So yay. So, oh my gosh, like I've got flour and icing sugar everywhere. Crazy. But anyway, I'm just waiting for my glue gun to heat up so I can try and repair that thing. The super glue didn't work, like it just wasn't drying. Maybe I'm impatient, but it's just not drying. So I'm heating up the glue gun to try and fix it with that. I'm storing my cake under my Instant Pot because this is the only thing that fits around it. My cake tub does not fit this cake because it's so tall. So that is how it's being stored until Eid day. I'm storing my Nan Khatais in these boxes, which are airtight, so they'll be fine until Eid, and these are just going to stay in these little boxes here. But yeah, that's how I'm storing these things. So we just got back from a little walk. We just walked around the block, and Issa walked the whole time. He just would not stop. He hated it when I picked him up. He did not want to hold my hand, so I was literally like doing this all the way along the road so that he wouldn't run into the road. Elisa is super tired. It is currently 9:15. So Elisa is going to bed now, aren't you? I'm going to end the video now because I'm sure you don't want to see me cleaning the house again after yesterday. But thank you guys so much for watching. Tomorrow is going to be another Eid prep video. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye!